Dear friends of the mystical path, today I would like to introduce to you the course on the 5 pillars of success. It is about a special mystical technique that follows the laws of creation and works with special prayers. The application of these prayers promotes harmony in you and in your life. The prayers have a strengthening, vitalizing, and healing effect. By following the laws, a special state of balance and order can be achieved, which manifests itself in the form of happiness, freedom, joy of life, health, and success. In the course, I explain the laws and the practical implementation. Since, as in all my courses, it is universal knowledge, anyone can apply the techniques and the prayers. Please have also a look at the other videos of the individual courses. Thanks for your kind attention, and as always, I wish you the best and much love. See you soon.